Last orientation before we start breaking things. 4 frameworks get quoted in every AI security meeting as if they're the same. They answer 4 different questions. How do attackers move? What tends to go wrong? How do I threat model an agent? And how do I govern the whole program? We'll lay all 4 across the attack surface you already know. Threat modeling an AI system. Atlas, OWASP, MAESTRO, NIST, 4 lenses across one attack surface. Defensive only. People quote these 4 like they're interchangeable. They aren't. 4 frameworks, 4 different questions. Use the wrong one and you get a useless answer. Here's our ribbon. 6 stages. Data, train, model, deploy and supply, inference, and agent. It stays at the bottom of frame all episode. Every framework lands onto it differently. Atlas is the attacker's playbook. MITRE Atlas version 5.1, November 2025. Red dash chevrons march left to right, tactic, then technique, mirroring attack, but for AI. Atlas answers how. OWASP names what tends to go wrong. The LLM Top 10 2025 edition, LLM 04 poisoning at data, LLM 2 disclosure at model, LLM 03 supply chain, LLM 01 prompt injection, and LLM 05 output handling at inference, LLM 06 excessive agency at the agent. Push in on the agent. MAESTRO isn't a risk list, it's a method. 7 layers stacked over an agent. You walk it layer by layer and threat model each. Think of it as the agent era complement to Stride. Pull wide. NIST AI RMF 1.0 draws a green solid loop around the entire ribbon. Govern, map, measure, manage. It doesn't tell you the techniques, it's the program level loop around everything. Same surface, 4 different questions. How do attackers move? OWASP, what tends to go wrong? How do I threat model an agent? NIST, how do I govern the program? 1 query, rag poisoning, route it. To Atlas it resolves as a Gen A technique. To OWASP it resolves as LLM 08 vector and embedding weaknesses. Both light up green. Ask how, Atlas. Ask what, OWASP. They layer. Fade the others to context. The OWASP LLM Top 10 glows on the ribbon. Across this channel, OWASP is the spine. Every later episode tags its stage and its OWASP ID. Atlas handles techniques, NIST handles the loop. You have the lenses. Next, why is AI attackable at all? Down into the substrate. Break it on the board, not in prod. 4 frameworks, 4 questions. Atlas tells you how attackers move, stage by stage. OWASP tells you what tends to go wrong. MAESTRO is a method to threat model an agent. NIST governs the whole program in a loop. Map them once, and you'll never quote the wrong one again. Next, we drop down into the substrate. Why AI is attackable in ways ordinary software isn't. Break it on the board, not in prod.